It is my great pleasure to congratulate the undergraduates of Hospitality, Tourism and Events Management degree program, the Department of Tourism Studies, on behalf of the Faculty of Management. Galena is one of the signature events in Wellassa University, and this time it is organizing for the 8th consecutive year. This is a significant event organized by the Department of Tourism Studies, and this time they are organizing these under the theme of Royal Canyon and the slogan of Relish the Royal Taste. And this event will be taken place on 15th January 2025 at Wellassa University premises as the best tourism education and training institute awarded by Sri Lanka Tourism Award 2024. The Department of Tourism Studies, Faculty of Management organized this Galena with the participation of different stakeholders in tourism as well as an academia. Especially on behalf of the Faculty of Management, my sincere gratitude goes to all the sponsors, especially the title sponsor, Sri Lanka Convention Bureau, and the platinum sponsor, Provincial Tourism Ministry, for partnering with Wellassa University. I invite all to come and get the witness of this signature event and relish the royal taste.